Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another requested video, and that is how do I use my dishwasher. So first of all, I'm gonna walk you through. I'll show you exactly how it looks like. So this dishwasher is from Bosch. As you can see, all the functions are on top. So that means once I close the dishwasher, nothing can be seen from outside. It has all these different cycles as well as the options. Most of the time I keep it on the auto and let the machine figure it out what needs to be done. The best part about this dishwasher is when it's running, I don't hear no noise at all except this red light. So when the machine is running, the light is on. When it's finished, the light goes off, and that's about it. It's a very quiet machine. So most of the time dishwasher comes with the 2 rack, but this one has a 3 rack. The top rack I use it for small glass containers or any delicate spatula. If I have it, I put it up here. Second rack I use it for cups, bowls, small dishes, and I do have this 2 small rack on the side. So again, if I have any glass lid containers, I put it there, and whenever I'm not using it, I can push it back, and that way I get more room for the other stuff. The last rack I use it for dinner plates as well as pots and pan, and if I have pressure cooker it goes here. So basically all the big pots and pan plates, everything goes up here, and also has the separate organizer for the spoon, spatulas, knife. The best part about this is whenever it's done washing, I can take the entire thing, go to the drawer and put everything where it goes. And this is how the entire dishwasher looks like. So now I will show you how I load my dishwasher. Now there is a two-way you can do this. First of all, as you can see, you can go ahead and rinse everything before you load it. Second thing, without rinsing it, you can just go ahead and organize everything in your dishwasher. The reason I go ahead and rinse everything because I run my dishwasher once a day. So I start putting everything from the morning and I run it at night time. So throughout the day, whatever the things needs to be cleaned, it goes in the dishwasher. But if you are going to use the dishwasher right away, then you don't need to rinse anything. You can just go ahead and put everything in the dishwasher and run it. Let the machine and the soap do all the work. When you load your dishwasher, you want to make sure the top side is down so that way the water can get circulate from inside and it get cleaned properly. You never want to put it this way, otherwise the water will get deposited in there and it will not get cleaned properly. So let me walk you through first and let me show you exactly how I put the bowl as well as the cups in this dishwasher. So the things which you are not sure whether it is dishwasher safe or not, you can always check the logo in the bottom. Usually there is a logo, it says whether it is dishwasher safe or not. In this case, yes, it is not there, but I know for sure that it is okay to put it in there because I had this cup from many years now and it came in the box and the box has all the instruction. So the things you should not put it in the dishwasher is any wooden stuff. So any spatula, any wooden ball, anything is made from wood, you should not put it in the dishwasher. Also the aluminum pots and pan. I don't own any aluminum pots and pans, so of course I have never put it in there, but that is the one thing that you should not put it in there. Other than that, when you load your dishes in there, you want to make sure that you load the big dishes and then the small dishes because the water comes from the bottom and the top, so you want to make sure that there is enough room so water can get circulated, everything get cleaned properly. So as you see here, I have a one big plate, small plates, so that's how you want to alternate. Most of the time I do have all my plates on this other side and my big pots on that side so that it can get cleaned properly. And now in a minute I'll just go ahead and show you how I load my dishwasher properly. So this is how I organize my dishwasher. As you can see, the pots are facing down so that way it can get cleaned properly from inside, as well as any dishes or cups or bowl, nothing is touching each other. So that way you can make sure that everything will get cleaned properly. And you never want to load your dishwasher this way. If you load your dishwasher this way, guarantee nothing will get cleaned properly. Also, it is really important to make sure you do use the right detergent for your dishwasher. So here I have Cascade Complete. It's a tougher than bake on mess. What it means basically is, as I mentioned earlier, that you can load your dishes without rinsing it. So in that case, you want to make sure you do have the right detergent for that. Also, it's really important to use the rinse aid. What rinse aid does is sometimes we do see the watermarks on the plates and pans. So if you use this, you will not have that problem. So rinse I do have the separate slot for that. So all you have to do, open it, pour that liquid in there, and it lasts long for quite some time. So it's not like every time you use the dishwasher, you need to add that. And most of the time, dishwasher do have the indication light for that. So whenever it's running low, you will see that light. And this is the detergent. So it comes in the plastic wrap. You don't have to open the plastic wrap. All you have to do is put it in there, close the lid, and turn on your dishwasher, and that's it. So friends, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestion, question, leave the comments below. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. Take care, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.